Welcome back, workshop enthusiasts. We're trustedshopguy.com and today we are in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our best handheld strapping machines. Anyone who still thinks packing is a dreadful, time-consuming process needs to leave his cave and discover the wonders of handheld strapping machines. Here are some of the best to choose from. The team at trustedshopguy.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the handheld strapping machines that'll be presented in this video. We have selected our best options so that you'll be able to decide on the ideal choice. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at trustedshopguy.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first best handheld strapping machine in our list is the BAOSHISHAN handheld strapping machine. Not only does the BAOSHISHAN offer a clean look, but its head is also enclosed in a metal frame with a dial control, so you can easily adjust the settings anytime you want. With a plastic body and a weight of only 10.4 pounds, it's also undeniably eye-catching. In terms of size, it measures 17.5 inches by 12 inches by 7.75 inches. TrustedShopguy.com has awarded the BAOSHISHAN handheld strapping machine a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: 2 respective motors. Welding and cutting are both controlled by their own respective motors, resulting in a machine that's more stable and durable. Large capacity battery. Its easy-to-use 3000 mAh replaceable battery can power 80 to 200 straps continuously. This ensures a reliable and steady performance for your businesses day in and day out. High-quality alloy. Using an alloy blade with high strength and a serrated construction, this handheld strapping machine is able to cut through materials flawlessly. Efficient operation. With a maximum tensioning force of 2,800 newtons or 628 pounds, you can do a lot more with a lot less work. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, this handheld strapping machine is designed only for polypropylene and polyester strapping, so we suggest keeping this in mind before deciding on the purchase of this item. The Trusted Shopping Guy team recommends this for people who don't want to skimp on a single dime when investing in their businesses. Its hefty price tag is more than justified thanks to its versatile motor design, high-quality alloy, and large battery. The second best handheld strapping machine in our list is the Yaetek handheld strapping machine. If your household needs something to strap things down with, then you should definitely consider Yaetek. Its reliable design and materials won't disappoint when it comes to performance. What's more, it has a very good size, with overall dimensions of 11 by 5 by 62 inches. TrustedShopguy.com has awarded the Yaetek handheld strapping machine a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: excellent air cylinder. This Yaetek handheld strapping machine can be set at a pressure of 300 pounds per square inch, which evenly distributes the weight across all 3 straps that come with it. It's capable of holding up to 20 pounds in total load per side, so you can take on bigger jobs without having to worry about your device breaking or not being strong enough. Wide application. It works well even in large-sized products and is widely used in small and medium-sized enterprises like the aluminum, wooden packaging, carton, and metal products industries. Highly portable. This pneumatic packing baler is lightweight and modest in size, make it very easy to transport. Sturdy and durable. All of the body and components are made of high-strength alloy materials with a high reliability design, so you can be sure to get your money's worth with this machine. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, its head is a bit bulky and big, which contributes mostly to its weight. The Trusted Shopping Guy team recommends this to those who want a reliable handheld strapping machine without breaking the bank. Being the most affordable option in this list, it also makes for a starting investment for beginners. The third best handheld strapping machine in our list is the HIGHTOP handheld strapping machine. Featuring a robust metal frame, a simple design, and a maximum tightening force of 220 pounds, this machine is meant to last for a long time. In terms of its size, it measures 11 by 6 by 7 inches. TrustedShopguy.com has awarded the HIGHTOP handheld strapping machine a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: wide application. This strapping tool can be used for a variety of reasons, making it a very versatile machine to have for multiple businesses and industries. Powerful air cylinder. It has a maximum of 3,500 newtons of binding tightening force and a unique structural design so you can achieve tightening and packaging easily. High degree of automation. This automated handheld strapping machine allows newbies to pack like professionals thanks to the high degree of automation that eliminates all the guesswork out of operation. Lightweight. With a weight of only 10.32 pounds, you can operate this without a problem even with just one hand. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the air compressor fitting size is only common in European and Asian countries, so American users may need an adapter for this. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for people who don't want to spend a lot of time learning their machines and want more easy-to-use ones for their day-to-day operations. The fourth handheld strapping machine in our list is the Mophorn handheld strapping machine. The strapping tool's main body and components are made of high-strength aluminum alloy materials with advanced manufacturing technology. It is made more reliable and long-lasting thanks to its state-of-the-art anti-scratch galvanized air pump joint. In terms of size, it measures 11 by 6.3 by 7 inches and has a lightweight design of 8.3 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a Mophorn handheld strapping machine a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: durable and sturdy design. The entire body and its parts are constructed from high-strength alloy materials and feature a very reliable design, so you can enjoy using this tool for your business for a long time. Powerful air cylinder. A sizable power air cylinder powers the pulley strapping tensioner, which has a maximum tension of 4,000 newtons. Quiet operations. This handheld pneumatic strapping tool is driven by an air motor with low noise, ensuring quiet operation on your part. Highly portable. You'll have no trouble transporting this machine from side to side thanks to its small size and lightweight. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it's a good tool, but the grip feet wear out quickly. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for people who might have operating hours that go on until late in the night. Its quiet operation ensures you don't have to disturb residents in the area and get complaint reports. The fifth handheld strapping machine in our list is the BestEquip handheld strapping machine. The BestEquip strap is one of the most durable and reliable strapping applicators on the market, with a strong grip that can hold up to heavy-duty applications. This product is great for contractors who need something tough enough to handle their projects all day. As for its size, it measures 14.6 inches by 9.1 inches by 7.9 inches and has a weight of 9 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the BestEquip handheld strapping machine a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: seals efficiently. It uses friction and the hot welding technology to securely attach to the band, allowing for rapid error-free production. Convenient operation. BestEquip's design with its small size and lightweight features makes this pneumatic steel strapping machine easy to carry and work conveniently. Highly durable. An aluminum alloy is used for the machine's main body, which is extremely strong and resistant to heat and corrosion. Quality air cylinder. This strapping machine has a maximum tension of 3,500 newtons and is operated by an extremely powerful air pump, which is indicative of the strapping machine's quality. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the air cylinder can only offer pressure of 0.5 to 0.8 megapascal, so be sure to keep this in mind before choosing this strapping machine. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to those who want a lot of power for their handheld strapping machine. With its mix of easy operation and a powerful motor, you're sure to get a lot of value for your money with this purchase. And there you have it, folks, our best handheld strapping machines, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next handheld strapping machine roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comment section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshop great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.